Hi, it's Jodi. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make caramelized onions. For the caramelized onions, we're going to start with 3 cooking onions and we're going to cut them just like so. There's no right or wrong way to cut them. Just in small pieces just like this. There we go, and then we'll cut this one. There we go. Now we're going to fry the onions. First we'll start with a little bit of olive oil in our pan. And to that I like to add a nice dollop of butter. There we go. Now we'll add our onions, like so. There we go. And we'll turn down the heat just a little bit to medium and we'll let them cook. So now we're just going to give the onions a stir, and to them we're going to add just a little bit of salt. Just shake, shake, shake. It all depends on the type of seasoning you want now at this point. And we'll put a little bit of pepper in. And we'll continue cooking until the onions gain some color. Now the onions are starting to gain some color. So what we want to do is soften them up. So what I do is I add about a cup of water to the pan and just let them bubble away now to soften. Give them a stir. So now the liquid is evaporating from the onions and the onions are starting to soften. So I'll turn the heat down to medium-low. I'm going to add a nice big dollop of butter. And at this point, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of sugar to this and a little splash of red wine vinegar. Now I'll give it a stir. Heat is turned down, and now we'll let the magic happen. So now the onions have been cooking for about 15 minutes. They've developed some really nice color to them. The water has all evaporated and the onions are really nice and soft. So now we're going to give it a taste. Check that the seasoning is okay. Delicious. All we need is a little bit more salt. Just like so. Give it a stir. Turn the heat off. And now your onions are ready to accompany any of your grilled meats, your burgers, put on a sandwich. Enjoy.